Before moving to input devices, we need to learn little about computer types, classification of computers according to size, according to technology. Supercomputer is the most powerful computer. It's a very huge computer used for complex engineering and scientific calculation. Example, NASA Institute. Next most powerful computer will be mainframe computers. Many users can connect at once and access resources from mainframe. These type of computers are used in e-business, large scale businesses. Example, internet. Whenever we access a website, web server only provide the service. Millions of people connect to the web server and access millions of websites. These websites actually save inside the mainframe. That means the mainframe is used as a web server. Similarly, email service. Email servers also mainframes will be used. Now it is very clear the purpose of mainframe computers, purpose of supercomputers. Then mini computers. This is actually not to access for public, within an organization. Again here many people can connect at once and access mini computer resources. It is powerful than the personal computers. It is used within an organization. Example, banking system. Personal computers or microcomputers, these are desktop or laptop computers. According to technology, analog or digital. Analog always measures environmental parameters, pressure, temperature, speed. Same time consume more power and not compact. Example, old cathode ray tube monitors. To create image on the screen, need to focus certain distance. Therefore, it is little bulky. You can see all monitors. Always there should be a distance from cathode ray tube to screen. Nowadays we use LCD. These are digital displays, compact, less power consumption. When we combine these two together, then we call it as hybrid computers. Now digital computer means all day to day devices like washing machine, TV, computers, laptop, tab, smartphone, all these are digital computers. When we combine these two together, then we will be calling it as hybrid computers. Example, ECG machine. Heartbeat is measured using ECG machine. Heartbeat is actually analog signal. These analog signals will be converted to digital signal and send it to digital device for printing. Since it combines analog and digital, we can call it as hybrid computers. Then we should understand basic function of computer system. Input, process, output. always input instructions directly goes to primary memory. We call it as RAM, volatile read write memory. Volatile means as you switch off the computer, everything get erased permanently. You can't save anything here. If you want to save anything permanently, you will be using permanent storage media like hard disk, external disk drive, flash drives. Then to retrieve, we call these programs from storage media to memory working area. CPU always process using random access memory because this communication is very slow. Therefore, always everything will be transferred to main memory and processor can directly access the main memory. So this memory capacity and the speed is very, very important. This memory capacity decides machine performance. If we have very few capacity here, very less capacity, then CPU will load small pages here. Then after working, it will be transferred back to permanent storage. Again next page will be taken. So plenty of swapping is done. So therefore your system get very slow. When we have enough capacity here, can load big pages and work for long time. Swapping will be very less, therefore it increase machine performance. After processing, we can save it and send it to output device. Example, let's say you are writing a letter using word processing, then you can save it to permanent storage. At the same time you can send it to printer. This basic functionality we need to understand very clearly. Additional to these two type of memory, we learn another type of memory called ROM, read only memory, permanently written instructions. Whatever the device, not only computer, can be a washing machine, camera, anything, startup informations will be saved inside the ROM. That we need to understand clearly. Now nothing to memorize, right? You should be able to clearly explain what is ROM, what is RAM, what is permanent storage. Later we will be studying in detail. Each and every unit will be studying in detail. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.